Today we're going to be discussing a topic that many of us face at some point in our lives, the pros and cons of renting versus owning a home. That's a big decision and one that requires a lot of consideration, so let's dive in. Pros of renting. Flexibility. Renting a home allows you to have the freedom to move whenever you want without having to worry about having to sell the property. No maintenance costs. When you rent a home, you don't have to worry about the cost of maintenance, repairs or improvements. These expenses are usually the responsibility of the landlord. Lower upfront costs. Renting requires a smaller upfront investment compared to buying a home, which often requires a substantial down payment. The cons of renting. No equity. When you rent, you don't build up any equity in the property, meaning that you don't have any ownership of the property. Limited customization. Renting a home often means that you are limited in the amount of customization and renovation you can do. Rent increases. Your rent can increase every year, making it difficult to budget for your future. Pros of owning. Building equity. When you own a home, you build equity with each mortgage payment, which you can use for things like home improvement projects or future investments. Customization. Owning a home means you have the freedom to make any changes or renovations you want. Stable housing cost. With fixed rate mortgage, you have the security of knowing what your house costs and will be for duration of the loan. The cons of owning. Maintenance cost. Owning a home comes with significant cost, including maintenance, repairs and improvements, which can add up quickly. No flexibility. When you own a home, you have a long-term commitment and it can be difficult to move if your circumstances change. High upfront cost. Buying a home requires a significant investment, including a down payment, closing costs and other expenses. Both renting and owning a home have their pros and cons, and the best option for you will depend on your personal circumstances and financial situation. Take the time to weigh your options and make the decision that is right for you.